Yo, what's up? It's been a while. Today I'm in Poznań and I'm gonna show you the IKEA or IKEA, however you call it, pronounce this name of the Swedish company of selling the furniture and all the households literally. You should know this brand. There is also one in Bali, very tiny one. This one is huge one, like it's supposed to be European one. I'm gonna show you a little bit what's going on inside. It's starting here and it's going and going and going. The black, the blue and the yellow Swedish and Polish flag is in Poland and the end is there. And also if you order online, it's on the other side somewhere there, the separate building, also pretty big. I'm gonna get inside entrance here, exit there. Also this is two-story one. On the second floor next to the entrance you have a restaurant and it's pretty big actually, but that's later. Here is the legend and the map, actually with the Polish and English. I will show you with English, find a way. So you have everything for the furniture, for the bedrooms, kitchens, dinings. Then you have accessories like linens or tableware. At the end you have a restaurant and stuff like this one. So it's a huge one and we can start making this video for half hour long or more. I can make it just simply shortly show you just at the beginning, literally little bit. So also they are like little rooms, so you have a ready to use the kitchen equipment. You can buy a full design of the kitchen or the bedroom or the living room or both. This is for the studio concept. And this one is like a fancy one for with the leather, nice modern thingy. Of course this is the IKEA, but this is like a ready to use set. You can buy everything here and make it literally like this one. The shop is going and going, and for example you can have a concept like this one. This is 37 square meter together like this one, so you can choose and basically everything what is here literally you can buy it. For example, with the prices and everything, the whole set. I think everywhere in IKEA, in the big IKEAs in Europe, is like that. Okay, I will show you a little bit. This is the main concept of the sofas already. Then you have a sofas, but you can sit here, so you can enjoy, see is it comfortable or something. Plenty of sofas everywhere. So literally sofas and pillows and everything. I was sitting on this one for 1,799 złotych. You can buy also the blankets, rugs, everything. Plenty of them, pretty affordable prices. For example, like this one is 5,000. This is like a kind of like, or like this one, the small one, for example, I don't know how much is it, but the rack is 299, table 349. And for example, maybe this sofa will have a price somewhere. Actually, yes, it was discounted into 249, so you can exchange it for the dollars, but not so bad. And this is huge place. I also like these chairs, however I would like to have a dark blue. 799 for the chair and 250 for the poof, so you have a set for less than 1,000 złotych. Pretty cool, and you can see it's actually huge selection. There's like hundreds of stuff, and that's just the beginning of the store, only with the sofas. I get lost actually. Where should I go? I think in that direction. Very quiet also. In general, it's super quiet today. I don't know. It's Wednesday when I'm filming it, but it's extremely quiet everywhere, either in the shop or either in the city. Oh, this is like a kids room. 17 meter, so actually you can see this is like in case if you were living in an apartment and have a small room, something like that one, or here another one. So for the very small tiny rooms, this one is for 23 meters. Interesting concepts. Okay, a nice lamp, but people watching. The lamps are actually very interesting. I saw that's actually cool. IKEA stuff, but cool. And the nice set and everything here is for sale, including this one, or including even the baby shark. Ooh, baby shark, baby shark. Everything for sale. Kitchen equipment, table, everything. Dobra. Okay, let's go to different concept actually. Yeah. Now you have a section with more into furniture, like a shelves or TV stands and stuff like this one. With the prices, you can see like at this thingy, actually pretty nice for the TV for 49. That's actually really not too bad. That's actually good prices for the furniture. Well, IKEA quality, is it bad, is it good? You can, everybody have a different. but definitely for the price is okay. And also seems like nobody cares I'm filming, so it's okay. In Poland actually you can film in most of the places where I'm showing the IKEA, so it's kind of advertising for them actually. Either I'm just came here like just to make a content, a lot of furniture here, and I get lost. Oh, you follow the arrows like this one actually. So going here, let's see, and some people here. Now you have a little bit of the office space, also interesting concepts. Yeah, you can create everything. Some people are also creating the office spaces literally to the office, so it's really not bad. Oh, and this one is more into young boy room, kids room, with the computer desk and everything, and the small bed, TV. And this size of the room, I don't know how much is it, but 12-meter room only, very small, but you can make it. They already got idea actually a little bit of more office stuff. Nice cool holders for the headsets actually, like this one, wooden one, interesting. Some are here also seen last time. I was some time ago, month ago maybe, a nice iPad stand, like a wooden one, but this is like a office stuff. Okay, maybe let's go to the, oh, and there is the little coffee shop actually in the middle of the section, so also you can grab your coffee and sit on one of the sofas, have a cake, actually nice desserts, nice, in case if you're tired, perhaps. Okay, more kitchens here also. You know, the IKEA is for mostly for the smaller spaces, but of course if you have imagination and you want to hire them, they will make a design for your big kitchen actually, or bigger room, not only for the tiny one. But I noticed as IKEA is you know, looking for the kind of customers who having a small spaces I could say. But some of the designs here actually nice, really not too bad. And you can have a kitchen like this one, for example, the whole set for 3K, something like that. Small one, but nice, not too bad. So this is how does it look like basically. And then you have a kitchenware, of course, all the things, so everything, starting from the very small tiny things into kitchen stuff, into the gadgets, everything. I mean, literally you can see everything. I'm just amazed how quiet it is. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm amazed or scared a little bit, but easy for me to make this video today actually. You can even buy the washing machines actually. I just realize kitchen tops, ovens, everything, literally everything is here. A lot of stuff. Okay, maybe oven prices to show you. You can have a okay, this oven for 1K only. It's like older school, and something modern and fancy one is like this one for 3K, one and a half actually. But they are small. They are not like American standards or Australian, I think. But American standards, it will be like this two will be combined into one. But in Europe, it's definitely this kind of sizes, definitely. Oh, some sort of panels. You can choose colors of the panels, what you wanna have, everything. A lot of selections of the stuff here. Yeah, it's actually, you know, very interesting place. Definitely more budget one than other one shops, but this one is actually definitely, and you can find a lot of very interesting stuff. And this is the office where they can help you to make a project for yourself. You can buy even any kind of equipment here. Now tables, everything you can choose by yourself. You don't need to buy the good ready to use the project. You can just walk here and choose whatever you like, and buy some small accessories like a cup places like this one. I don't know how much is it, but it's like stuff like this one. It's only for 10 zloty for 4. So this is like $2 for 4 like this one, made with the cork or something like this. So it's cool, like a little table. Actually pretty good quality though. It's not even moving that much. It's 599. So it's really not too bad prices, not too bad quality. I'm gonna tell you, wide selections of the stuff in IKEA in Poland at least. But I remember in UK it was also very similar to this one. So you have all the stuff and everything. And what is very interesting in IKEA, often you can spot like this one is something like this one. You have a whole piece of bowl or something with the, for example, with the things like a wine cork openers, which is actually they are good quality also on the metal one. Yeah, it's metal, and it's like 17.99 for one. And this table was for 1.5K, by the way. And some nice furnitures. This kind of crystals, they are still glass one. I think so, it's glass. Actually, it is. Some sort of rattan chairs. Some sort of things like you have in Bali, but just not Indonesian or no Asian. But also rattan kind of one for 49. So you can have and little wolfie. There was BLB shark and now it's little wolfie. I don't know why, but in IKEA always you can find so many like mascots like this one, and also only 20 złotych, 19.99. A bedroom, nice bedrooms actually. Also now is the sections with the bedrooms, and somewhere there are the beds. I will quickly show you. This is more into kids one, or with the wardrobe. I don't know, 2,000 złotych for the bed or something like that. Now you can buy pillow, for example. This one is broken actually, but the 29.99. It's the wardrobe, stuff like this one. A lot of interesting things. Lamp, for example, you have a lamp like this one, 169 only. This is actually good value, really good, not too bad at all. Okay, and then that's the big section, a whole section of the beds. And the beds actually also are pretty well priced. Somebody was very funny with this little wolfies. I didn't do that, but that's so funny. And you have so many beds here. Some baby here, very kids friendly and everything. You have a panda bears, perhaps, many other stuff. And for example, the set of the bed like this one is 1.4 thousand złotych for the bed. Yeah, this is how does it look like. Let's see, some sort of proper big bed like this one, for example. How much is it? 2.5 thousand złotych. It was 3.2, it's 2.5, and this is 180 to 200 centimeters. So it's the master queen king bed, technically. Yeah, I don't know how much is the mattress, but the mattress will be like this mattress. I don't know. Actually, this smaller bed is only 630 złotych. By the way, the wooden one. This is the queen one, and the mattress is I think 899. So something like that. And the guy is sleeping there, playing on the phone, perhaps. Everybody are so chilled here in general. You have a beds actually. Somebody make a decor here bed with the bathroom open space. I saw it somewhere in the hotel in Bali concept like this one. Not sure if I would like it, but the whole concept is done. So it's very interesting. And some smaller rooms like this one. This is how does it look like. I think we'll be more and more into decoration soon. Okay, I think it's enough from the furniture section. But however, the IKEA is this. What is it about the furniture? Okay, maybe I will show you the wardrobes also. So like this wardrobe, 755, for example, like this one. Or maybe this wardrobe. This is very trendy color actually recently, like this one. You can find. What's the prices? This one is 2,000. You know, a lot of stuff you can find here. Really a lot. Okay, I will change the section now. Well, now you have a kids section. You can buy all the stuff for the paintings and little kids tables and everything. And of course, thousands of the many kind of little wolfies, perhaps, or something. Or the monkeys. This one is cool. Monkeys with the snakes. Cool. A lot of stuff. Oh, this one is something unusual. Ooh, nice. A lot of cool stuff in general. Okay, and this is actually the entrance to the sharks, of course. And this is the restaurant. Maybe for the restaurant in IKEA, I will show you when I'm with Winnie. Definitely we will go. This is big restaurant. Actually, a lot of food options, as you can see, but maybe not today. And then there will be the section down there, which is actually the half of the store I just showed you now. So on the bottom floor you have already the stuff. Also there are some foods, you know, some sort of food options sometimes, like Daimler, for example, the toffee stuff. I don't know why, but actually very popular here. Maybe they are actually coming from Sweden. and you can find this any kind of tableware. I don't know how much is it actually, but not too much. Made in IKEA, for the IKEA, but made in Vietnam, by the way. Interesting facts. And you can buy any kind of section, like candles, like a glass. This glass, where, I hope so, I'm not gonna break it. This kind of glass. This is typical glass for the bar, for the Coca-Cola when you order something. Always is made in IKEA, made in Bulgaria for IKEA. You can find in everywhere around the world glass like this one. I saw it in every continent where I've been. In 4 continents I saw this kind of glasses. All of them is always the same size, and I'm gonna tell you they are only $2.99, less than $1 for the glass. Surprisingly, they have also pretty nice porcelain, like mugs for the coffee, tea, or something like this one. This ones are for 15 zlotych. Actually, 15. Okay, nice. Still not so bad. And you can have a lot of glassware in the kitchenware. And now you are buying the stuff like details, like a cooking roll or whatever you call it. This one thingy for the pepper and salt, bigger one, and like this one, for example, like a small thing like this one for the pepper, to grind the pepper. And you think it's grinder, it's only 19.99. It's 20 zloty. It's like I don't know, for the quick calculations, it's like a $5 maybe or something like that. So this is what is IKEA famous for the pretty good quality, cheap stuff, because this is definitely better than any kind of Chinese quality, but it's still nothing. Maybe it's not about the bad quality, because IKEA, especially for Europe, have a really good quality of the stuff. The only thing is if many places will have this pretty same stuff, but you can buy like kinda, I don't know, like a frying pan for 16, 17 zloty or something like that. So that's the things, like, and the section and selection of the stuff is huge. Like all the knives here and everything. For example, the kitchenware, and I don't know. It's a lot of stuff actually. Of a small thing like a fancy napkins with the nice flower, something like this one. And this one is cost you only like, I don't know actually how much, but not too much. There's no price on it. No, it's made for Sweden, made in Slovakia for the IKEA Sweden. So this is also European stuff. So it's not actually that bad. But this is like few dollars less, more or less. This is the yellow ones is like 8 zloty only, perhaps. So you can have a small, very simple porcelain, not porcelain, yeah, but not plastic one. The plates, and this plate cost you only like $2.50. This is like 75 cents for the plates, for example. Of course, very simple one, right? Or the soup glass for the soup is for the 5 zlotych, which is like $1.25, some sort of thing like this. So this is the IKEA. Life is easier in Europe regarding stuff like this, because you don't need to be really rich, or you don't need to really have a lot of money to buy full equipment to your house, technically, but for example, in Malaysia there is also huge IKEA like this one with a little bit different stuff. Unfortunately, Indonesia have a little bit different stuff, but in Indonesia they selling the proper wood and proper stuff, mostly handmade, so that's the biggest difference. But the IKEA in Europe is definitely the highest quality to compare to Asian IKEAs. I don't know about the other continents though, but cool stuff you can find here. And I think I make this video already pretty long. Oh, this one is cool. This is for the coffee, you do like this and you press the coffee. This is like this one. Nice, 70 zlotych. A lot of cool stuff. Okay, let's get more. Actually, this video could be so long. That's the pillows, pillows. Actually, a lot of pillows. This one is like a little rugs and the pillows for the chairs. Now you have all the stuff, the pillows, a lot of pillows for the chairs, and the rollers and the car chains, and I mean like really a lot of things you can buy here. Also any kind of pillows to your home, like a decorative one. This one is only 20 zloty, by the way. any kind of pillows to your bedroom, to the sofa and stuff like this one. Technically you can equip your house or your apartment in the IKEA only, and you can have it with the low cost. Of course there are fancy shops where you can spend thousands of dollars, of course, but if you want just like a pretty good quality for the low money, you can just do everything in the IKEA. That's the only thing. But by the way, the selections of the pillow is like unbelievable big. Also, if we need bolster, because I know she like it, is it here? You can buy it, and it's only 50 zloty, which is also a very good price. All right, my memory in the camera is finishing up. I have to go to the warehouse. But of course, there are also huge selections of the carpets and rugs. So, like literally, you can buy everything here. By the way, this carpet here, only like this one, very simple, but you can buy for 199 złotych only. This is złotych, not dollars. Very good value. A lot of stuff. Okay, warehouse time. Oh, and also they have a cow leather here. Okay, actually, I'm gonna show the lighting room also. There are a lot of lamps, any kind of lamps, any kind of bulbs, any kind of lightnings. Also this one, very similar to the Bali one, and just a lot of stuff. Okay, really, that video is already very long, but this is very cool place. All right, actually there are also candles, a lot of candles, and garden section. Also you have a green stuff, the plants and everything. So technically, you know, if I would really like to show you everything, I can make a part 2 of this video and make it slowly and selected the items with the prices and everything. But so far for now is more than enough. I make it already so much of the stuff. And then just behind the garden section is the warehouse. This is where I'm going. I just want to show you the warehouse. It's huge, and this is basically the warehouse. And you have a numbers. If you buy furniture, you have a code, and you're just coming looking where is your item on the shelf, and you just basically literally taking it by yourself. Like this one. So you know the number, you know what you're buying, you just in the box, and of course you have to make it your own at home. I mean, like this is the concept of the IKEA. If you don't buy the table or something what is ready to use, you buy it in the box, and you have to assemble by yourself at home. Some people doing this for job, for work, as they coming to your house and doing it, but many people, especially in Poland, as far as I know, they doing it by themselves. And this warehouse is huge. Actually never-ending warehouse, and this is the cashier stuff, and that's it. And of course legendary hot dogs at the end. Maybe I will show you now the hot dogs, because the warehouse, well, you know. All right, and then I didn't film the hot dogs because my camera battery went off suddenly. Nobody's very quick. I don't know what's going on. Probably already too many videos. I make 1,500 videos in this camera, so maybe that's why. Either way, I didn't film the hot dogs, and then I charged my camera so I can make this video, but then the IKEA is closed at 9. I thought it's closed at actually at 10, but today on Wednesday it's actually suddenly closed at 9, and I couldn't come back because it's closed. But either way, later when I'm come with Winnie and everything, we will come to IKEA one more time, and Winnie definitely would like to film a lot of foods here in Europe and in Poland particularly, so we will show you. But anyway, 75 cents US, you can have a big hot dog in IKEA here. This is $1 Australian, just in case still stuff like this exists. Okay, I will see you next video. As always, see ya, take care.